Online marketing is a great tool to grow your local business. With so many advertising options, many companies overlook the power of online marketing. 97% of consumers search for local businesses online. With the right plan, your local business can easily leverage this power and quickly gain more customers. Today's expert is here with some simple strategies on increasing your local business through online marketing.
We are asked by beauty, barbershop, and salon owners how they can recoup all their losses and regain their time and financial freedom using proven strategies that work. We suggest them ways in which they can not only survive, but grow in any environment and in any economy. The problem is that it is difficult for a beauty, barbershop, and salon owner to know who to trust and what product and services to look into to help their business grow and flourish. This is a problem for many beauty, barbershop, and salon owners who are normally not aware of how important it is today to have a great online presence, since everyone now is looking online and almost only online for a business before visiting them. The good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult once they know how to find the right products and services to help them grow. Most beauty, barbershop, and salon owners could be enjoying a lot more success if they knew the trends of the consumer today and how to engage them painlessly in order to keep their beauty, barbershop, and salons fully booked. For example, we are helping beauty, barbershop, and salon owners around the country recoup all their losses and move forward with confidence towards the growth of their company and the professional satisfaction they derive from running a successful business, never having to worry about how to bring in the customers, and without having to spend a lot on expensive advertising. Beauty, barbershop, and salon owners everywhere are happy to learn these secrets and are quite surprised at the quick turnaround they experience when they implement all the suggestions we chart out for them. To help your viewers today, I thought I'd share some of the basic ideas and tips that can get them off the ground to a great restart. Tip number 1 today: beauty, barbershop, and salons need a good online presence. A barbershop that doesn't have a good online presence today ceases to exist in the hearts and minds of would-be customers. Tip number 2, the days of using Facebook as the sole entry point for their online presence are gone. Everyone needs a good website that welcomes and communicates to the customer that their needs will be served well. Tip number 3, once they have a decent online presence, they can then move up to more ways of attracting new customers and keeping their past ones return on a regular basis as they learn more tips and tricks of attraction strategies. To earn the trust and gain the customers, a beauty, barbershop, and salon initially must focus on a good, solid online presence. There is now low-cost, highly affordable programs like the Now Thrive Project to help them do that. This becomes a powerful way to get their message across that they value their customers and that their customers can count on satisfactory, good service from them. Our expertise is showing beauty, barbershop, and salon owners how to position themselves as reliable, good service providers to the community. We focus on helping beauty, barbershop, and salon make a huge success of their businesses using their great online presence. We make it simple, easy, and affordable for anyone in the industry to reach their growth goals faster and easier than before. We are happy to help because the market has shifted, and it's important now more than ever for a local beauty, barbershop, and salon to stay ahead and attract more business in their community. Next time we will discuss how to have beauty, barbershop, and salon that never have a dull moment and are always filled to capacity. To learn more, the viewers can go to touchablehair.com for valuable insights on how they can proceed. Anyone interested in seeing results right away can request to participate in our Now Thrive program, which we are reserving for a few barbershop owners in the area. We are happy to help, since we believe in assisting local businesses thrive, because that's what the Now Thrive program is all about.
Fascinating, isn't it? With the right online marketing strategy, your local business will grab more customers quicker than you ever thought possible. Don't delay. Now you've heard some great ideas. Are you ready to take the next step? Call our featured expert at the number on your screen to get started. Until next time,